Welcome back to Make Finance Easy. Today's video is going to be on what does a banker do? When you hear the word banker, you might picture someone sitting behind a desk counting money. But in reality, bankers are some of the most important players in the financial system. They help individuals buy homes, helps businesses expand, and even work on billion-dollar deals. So what do bankers actually do day to day? Let's break it down. At its core, banking is all about managing money and allocating capital efficiently. Bankers connect people who have money, like savers and investors, with people who need money, like individuals and businesses. Their job is to analyze risk, make financial decisions, and help clients grow their wealth or operations. But depending on the type of banker, the work can look very different. Let's start with retail banking, the most common type. Retail bankers work directly with individuals at local branches or through online services. Their responsibilities include opening checking and savings accounts, issuing debit and credit cards, and helping customers take out loans. One of their most important roles is lending. For example, if someone wants to buy a house, a retail banker helps them apply for a mortgage. This involves checking their credit score, income, debt levels, and overall financial health. Based on this, the banker determines whether the person qualifies for the loan and what interest rate they should receive. Retail bankers also educate customers that they might explain how interest works, how to build credit, or how to avoid fees. So beyond just transactions, they act as financial advisors for the everyday people. Next is commercial banking, which focuses on businesses instead of individuals. Commercial bankers work with small businesses all the way up to large corporations. Their main job is to help businesses manage cash flow and secure financing. For example, if a company wants to open a new location, hire more employees, or invest in new equipment, they often need a loan. A commercial banker will analyze the company's financial statements, things like revenue, profit margin, and existing debt, and they also look at the future projections to determine whether the business will be able to repay the loan. This process is called credit analysis, and it's a huge part of the job. Commercial bankers need to understand industries, market trends, and economic conditions to make smart lending decisions. Now, let's talk about investment banking, which is the most complex and high stakes area. Investment bankers don't usually deal with everyday customers. They work with large corporations, governments, and institutional investors. One major part about their job is helping companies raise capital. This can be done by issuing stocks in the stock market or selling bonds to investors. They also specialize in mergers and acquisitions, often called M&A. For example, if one company wants to acquire another, investment bankers handle the entire process. They evaluate both companies, build financial models, determine a fair evaluation, and negotiate deal terms. This type of work requires advanced skills in financial modeling, valuation techniques, and strategic thinking. It's also known for its long hours and intense deadlines, especially when deals are closing. Across all types of banking, a typical day involves a mix of meetings, financial analysis, and communication. Bankers might review spreadsheets, talk to clients, prepare presentations, or collaborate with teams. To succeed, they need both technical skills, like understanding financial statements, and soft skills, like communication and relationship building. Trust is critical because clients are relying on bankers to handle large amount of money and make smart decisions. At the end of the day, Bankers play a key role in keeping the economy running. They help people achieve their financial goals and help businesses grow and expand. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more videos on Make Finance Easy. And I'll see you guys later.